fifth spot. 9 drivers in this one, only 7 of them are making the start. Mac Davis and Dan Borkowitz not making the start, or Ronnie Falk rather, Dan Borkowitz not making the start of this one. Down at 3:45 remaining here for Dave Duncan. Howard right in second, and Austin Venezia in that third spot. DJ Paul for number 5, Dave Corradi. Or Paul in the third, Corradi in the 5 lane, Lewis in the 6th, Mac Davis in 7th. Paul going to get 8 for this one, D-check in. And Norfolk's going to end up finishing 9th for this one, not making the start. 3:15 to go, 3:15 to go, race number 17, Truck Open coming up next. Truck Open coming up next. Half ready driver. the rubber side.